Our objective for today, we're going to try and get this thing running. So I'm being pretty optimistic, but I'm not that far off from getting it going. I'm going to kind of cheat, and I'll explain why. So I know I've got to clean up the lifters and all that sort of stuff. That's not going to take me too long. Intake manifold on here, pretty cheesy. And then some push rod covers, all that sort of stuff, and everything else. How I'm going to cheat is this motor's not staying in this frame. So I'm going to take the 4 motor mount bolts out. Well, I guess 5 at the top. Anyway, pop this thing out of here and then put it directly into this frame. So also today I'm gonna pull the motor out of the 73 chopper that I have over here and move this motor, which is originally from the frame up there, and put it back in that frame. With this, I'm just gonna keep everything that's in this frame, swap directly over to the 79. So the coil, put the Makuni on it, everything. So it should be a pretty quick swap over to see if I can get it to run, because I know everything in this bike works. And I can kind of eliminate some other issues. Oh, there, pulling this motor out of this frame. We're gonna swap some motors around, do some stuff over the next couple of days. Let's get this stuff ready. That's fine, I can go there. Nope, screwed that up. Okay, too low. Too low up here. And alright. Oop, there we go. Okay, you're in. Okay, so we're finishing up pulling this motor out. The 73 is going out, going back in its frame over here. Already got everything pulled off the whole primary, and all the motor mount bolts and everything are out. I'm gonna keep the rest of this stuff in here, including the Makuni, which I got hung up over on the side. So let's get this thing pulled out and drop back in its frame over there. Before I kill myself, I'll pick up all these cords, I guess. Alright. Okay, you're safe. Okay, come on, little dude. Alright, there's all that stuff. Alright. Alright. Oh, no, there on there. There you go, little dude. Alright. There, motor swap. Dunskies. You're home. There's your home. What? How's this a different size? Come on. Okay, that one. Fine then. I think this one's bigger. It is. Okay, well screw you, Sprocket, then. It is bigger. That'll work. Alright, motor swap's done. We're gonna do a first startup video here. If you haven't seen the rest of this stuff, so this is a different motor. So this is a 79, originally an FLH motor, threw in this frame. I don't really know anything about it. It had push rods off and the lifters exposed, so changed all those out. Had to put a new set of points and everything in it, which I stole from another motor over there. See it on the lift. Mikuni, all this is stuff that we already had on this bike on another engine, so this carb should be tuned up right. The points should be pretty close to set. I didn't really time it exactly, so we'll see what happens. And then she's got oil, everything else, so everything should be good to go. So we'll see how many kicks it's going to take to fire this thing off.